I wanted to do an update on James. For those of you who don't know what's going on, James found what looks to be a stainless steel rod in the desert with unique markings on each side. As James investigated this, he used several attempts to find out what it is, a radio method on AM to see if there's frequency next to it. He also placed water on it and left it outside near some grass, and the grass actually died. His concern was that there was radiation coming off of the device. We told him to get a meter. He checked the meter and he found out that there was levels of radiation coming off of it. We don't know if it was completely harmful levels or anything like that. We just know that he got a good reading from it. In the video you're about to watch, James is going to attempt to drill into the device itself.
But yes, I'm going to be starting by drilling a hole in it today. You haven't missed long, just Gus. I've barely been here. I don't have to use starter punch if I'm drilling in the engravings themselves. Alright guys, it's showtime. Gonna take this drill. We're gonna see what we can do here. Make sure the bit's tight. Everything ready. I didn't find gloves, which is okay, but anyway, I'm just gonna not use gloves. And yeah, I think we're ready to go. Gonna hold this in my hand. I'm so nervous about this, guys, but anyway. Yeah, can I open this? Wow, is this a bad idea?
Based on everything that we've learned about what James has been through with this device, yes, this is absolutely a bad idea. This device should have been looked at by an expert, and they should have performed all the tests in the laboratory. Performing it in your basement's not a very good idea if you know that there's any type of radioactive material being used here or any device that shows you that there might be a possibility of it. Yes, that's absolutely a bad idea.
It does have power. It's in Milwaukee. Look, it's full. Anyway, I guess we'll begin. You're gonna go right in a hole there. Is this a good idea, guys?
James continues to ask this because he's doing this broadcast live.
So over here, everybody says do it, say don't do it. Sponsor, there is no sponsor. I hope somebody will at least save this. It's just making me feel bad already, but anyway. We'll start on one. Well, we can't put it in one. I guess we'll start at two. What is that? Oh, no, I'm sorry.
At this point, it looks like James has passed out. After this, we're going to hear a little bit of background noise, and I cannot tell you exactly what it is that's going on in the background. There is no video from this point forward. All you're going to hear is sounds. We don't know what that sound was. However, the next sound is pretty interesting. That could have been a timer counting down to something. And in this next part, you can hear it. It almost sounds like the vibration of a craft. I just wanted to say this. I hope James is okay. I hope whatever happened was temporary. I hope he got medical attention right away and that he had someone else in the house to help him. We want nothing but the best things for James, and we hope for a speedy recovery and hope to hear from him soon.